Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate 123FormBuilder with Monday.com using Zapier, step by step. Whether you're trying to automate task creation, streamline requests, or eliminate manual data entry, this setup will save you time and keep your team focused on what matters. To show you how it works, we'll use a real example: a content request form. Internal teams can fill it out to request blog posts, landing pages, or email campaigns. Once submitted, a new task appears in Monday.com automatically. Once your form is ready, hit Publish and make a quick test submission. Zapier needs this sample data to recognize your form fields. Next, go to Zapier and click Create Zap. Choose 123FormBuilder as your trigger app and set New Form Submission as the trigger event. When prompted, log into your 123FormBuilder account using your username and password to connect it to Zapier. After that, select the form you want to integrate, then test the trigger. Zapier will pull in your sample submission so you can make sure all the fields are coming through correctly. Now it's time to define the action. Click the plus button to add an action and search for Monday.com. Select it, and for the action event, choose Create Item. This allows you to automatically create a new task in your Monday board every time the form is submitted. Now, to connect your Monday.com account, head over to the Monday Development Center and grab your API key. When Zapier prompts you to connect to Monday.com, just paste that key in. This will give Zapier permission to create new items on your boards as part of the automation. Now, here comes the fun part: mapping your form fields to Monday.com columns. First, choose the board you want to add the items to, and next choose the group. Finally, match the form fields to the right columns on your board. This is where the automation really comes to life. Once everything is mapped, it's time to test. Submit a test entry through your form, and Zapier will push that data into Monday.com. Head over to your board and, just like that, you should see the new item appear with all the right info in place. And that's it! You've successfully connected 123FormBuilder to Monday.com with Zapier. Now, every form submission automatically becomes a task, lead, or request. No spreadsheets, no copy-pasting, no headaches. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more productivity and automation tips.